Hello, I am Wael Yahya, Certified Financial Technician Expert from the International Federation of Technical Analysts. In this video, we will apply the classical technical analysis to the dollar index. So let us start. First of all, we will begin with the major structure over the monthly chart. And we will start by drawing the major, significant, important levels over the monthly chart. First of all, this historical low at around 71 points, and then this significant level, which is working as a support now at approximately the 90 points level. Then we do have another one at the 103 points, which is a very important support level now. Then we go a little back to the time of the beginning of the millennium, around 120 points, and finally the 164. Of course, it's very clear why are these levels drawn as they are. This is a monthly peak. Of course, it's historical, but it's a very clear spike around 164 level, and here is a little bit rounded peak around 120 points. These are very important resistance over the monthly chart, while the others are working as supports now. The 103 as well as the 90 level, and finally the historical low at around 70. I think according to the monthly chart, the dollar index is bullish. Why? We should say why. Notice that this trading range over the monthly chart it was pretty long-term trading range, starting from the mid 2014, maybe 2015, until early 2022, which means that this is around maybe 6 to 8 years trading range, so it's pretty long time. At this trading range, the support was at 90 points, the resistance was at 103, which means that approximately these are around approximately 14 points. Of course, these are major amounts. I mean, it's a big chunk of number considering the dollar index. Don't think that 14 points is something small or not big. No, it's big enough. This trading range thickness is expected to be the target when added at or to the resistance level after the confirmed break. So we notice here the break was around 104. If we added 14 to 104, we expect to go to an area around 117, 118, and this is the long-term target for the dollar index over the major structure. So things look pretty good, positive over the long term for the dollar against the major currencies, especially when we look at the long term picture. Okay, let us now check the weekly chart, and it's clear that we do have a very strong uptrend over the weekly chart. We will color it in blue color so it identifies the weekly, and here is the channel line. Of course, we do have, or we should make another second channel line with the same thickness of the original channel, and here it goes. And I think we should draw another one, and here it goes. Another speed line should be drawn to detect the new rising angle, and of course its corresponding channel line. Here we go. This is the long-term trend and its new angle over the weekly chart. Of course, we should draw some important supports and resistances. The most important of them is around 101 level. That's it. So this 101 level is identifying this bottom, and it became a very important support, and it will be a very important support if any correction took place. Nothing special over the candlesticks over the weekly chart, and everything at the time being of recording looks healthy and positive for the dollar index. No upper shadows for the candle, not significant, just small ones. No indication of sellers, no indication of weakness, at least until now. And let's check the short-term details over the daily chart. Things are looking pretty good also over the daily chart. This is the most important daily short-term support around 106, and we notice here we do have a triple support. Some of them are upward trend lines, some of them are up channel lines, others are horizontal support levels. All of them are running between 105 up to 106, which means that this one basic point will be a very, very strong support area if any correction took place, either now or afterwards. This chunk of supports will be very, very important over the short and the medium term in case of any correction took place. And the dollar index will be and still be positive with a bullish environment and outlook as long as it is above this area. That's it for our first practice session, and the dollar index, we covered it in the classical technical analysis school, which is the old school, which I prefer it the most. And see you soon in the next video, and I think it will be about the gold. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to like, share and subscribe, and see you soon.